Welcome to Automatic American English. My name is Teacher Ahmed, and today we have an intermediate level lesson for you. Today we are going to learn about useful phrases. Do you have a pen and a paper ready? I hope you take a lot of notes today. If you want to learn English online, nala soo xiriir inshallah xagga WhatsApp-ka sida koorsyadeeni ugu soo biirtid oo maanta ka faa'iidaystid Englishka. So today maanta waxaan eegaynaa useful phrases. Amba hadallo amba erayo oo aad u faa'iido badan oo ka caawin kara xaalado kala duwan. Are you ready? Let's take a look. Number 1, take your time. Take your time. Dhawaaq waa muhiim. First, try to correct your pronunciation, okay? I will try to speak English and then I will explain a little bit in Somali, okay? Marka hore, English baan ku yara sharaxi deetana Somali baan ku yara macnayn. Number 1, take your time. Take your time. We use take your time when we want to tell someone, don't hurry. Don't be in a rush. It's okay. Go slow. I'm not in a hurry, so take your time. Because take your time means, hey, relax. We don't have to rush anything. When someone is moving fast and doing something fast, take your time is used to let them know, hey, don't go fast. It's okay, you can go slow. And you could do things on your own time, okay? So take your time, waxa loo isticmaala ha degdegin. Ayar wax iska wado. Ma aha ina la degdego, wax la boobsiyo laga gaarsiyo. Qof baa tusaale degdeg wax ku doonay inuu ku qabto waxa take your time, relax, take your time. Waqtigaaga iska qaado, anu ma degdegiyo adigu take your time. Okay, let's go to number 2. Watch out. Watch out. We use watch out if there's some sort of emergency or if you want someone to move out the way. So to watch out means, hey, move out the way, please, because there's an emergency or there's something I need to do. So watch out, waxa laga wadaa iska ilaali. Bal iska ka yara beer meesha. Saada meel baa soconaysa qof baa ka hormaray. Waxaa watch out, watch out. Ba waxba sida wax culus waxaanaysa watch out, watch out. Iga yara beer bal iska ilaali. Okay? So we use watch out. Number 3, let's stay in touch. I use this phrase all the time, especially when I'm texting someone that I haven't talked to for a long time. I tell them at the end of the conversation, hey, it was nice to talk to you. Let's stay in touch. And let's stay in touch means let's not forget each other. Let's connect soon. From time to time, let's talk to each other or catch up or stay connected. So let's stay in touch. Waxa laga wadaa aan isku xidhnaano. Touch waa taabasho. Stay no waa joog. Marka maxaa laga wadaa in lagu jiro tab. Waxa laga wadaa aan isku xidhnaano. Marka qofka tusaale aad si kala tagaysiin waxa ku oranaysa let's stay in touch. Aan iska war hayno. Inshallah. Let's stay in touch. All right, let's go to number 4. Hold on. You forgot something. Hold on. Hold on means when you want to tell somebody, wait a sec, wait, please wait. So we say hold on, okay? So it's like a phrasal verb. You could say hold on when you want somebody to wait or to stop, okay? So hold on means, waxa laga wada hold on, bal yara sug, ukaadi. Hold on, haga tigisa, hold on, yara sug, ukaadi, joog, hold on. Where you going? Hold on. Like the page, follow. Hold on. Okay? Number 5, I look forward to. I really like this phrase too. I use it a lot. I look forward to, and then you fill in the blank. So I look forward to means I hope, I'm excited about. It's to talk about the future. Okay? Something you want to tell someone you're happy about something in the future. Okay? So I look forward to seeing you. So for example, you're texting or calling someone. Oh, okay, we're going to meet at 5? Yes, okay. I look forward to seeing you. So I look forward to waxa laga wadaa inshallah wan sii xiiseynaya, wan sii rajaynaya, waxaad ku faraxsantahay ay dhici doonaan mustaqbalka. Hadii jeer waxa loo isticmaala marka qof la balansan tahay oo u sii sheegaysid waayahay ma arbacada isku imina inshallah. I look forward to seeing you then. Okay? So inshallah once arki doona wa rajaynaya inaan is aragno waan ku sii faraxsanahay la kulankeena oo kale. I look forward to you connecting to this page, liking and sharing and staying in touch and joining our online program. Haddii aad rabtid casharo taysan oo la xisaabtan adag leh oo Englishka adigoo si yar fudud xaafadaada amba goobta shaqo ku baranaya nala soo xiriir xagga WhatsApp-ka koorsidayna maanta ku soo biir. My name is Ahmed Seattle. Welcome to Automatic American English. Waa college-ka ka caawin kara si automatic iska English kugu hadashada insha Allah. See you next time.